At the top left corner, go to Resize. So you can resize this video into different video dimensions. So right now, this is a 1920 by 1080 video size. So if I go back to resize here, I go to videos, I can select any of these other options here to resize this video. So let's say, for example, I want to resize this so that it's a TikTok video. So I have two options. I can either copy and resize. So what that does is that it will copy this design. It will keep it in this dimension size and just create a new design here. So it will keep this and it will open a new tab where now this video is resized into the new dimensions. Now you can also just directly resize this video into the new dimensions by clicking on resize this design. And so now this will automatically resize this. It will not keep the original design format that you have. It will just automatically change it into this new dimensions here. And now it's in the new dimensions and you can edit this video. Now, this feature of resize, if you've noticed, it's for pro users only. So if you want to do this resizing, but you're on the free plan, then you would have to go back to the Canva homepage and click create, and then you would have to start the design process over again. So you would have to either select a new video dimension or create your custom size here. And the same thing here, if you want to create a custom size, you can also create a custom size here. You can change the width, height, units, and repeat the same process as before. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.